That's the most cold-blooded use of. Respectfully, sir. You've ever heard that absolutely wasn't respectful. We were sitting through a company-wide safety brief after a Humvee got flagged during a random motor pool audit. Someone had taken it out without a dispatch, and battalion lost their minds. Everyone knew the XO had signed it out on the low, but instead of owning it, the commander turned the heat on our motor sergeant, like he personally approved the heist. CO starts grilling him, full audience. You were responsible for the key box, right? Yes, sir. And you didn't verify the dispatch before release? No, sir, because the vehicle wasn't signed out through me. CO doubles down. So what exactly were you doing that day that was more important